Welcome to Home of Math. Today's topic: trigonometric ratios of acute angles. Trigonometric ratio are relationships between the sides of a right angle and its acute angle. Look, here is a triangle ABC where B is a right angle. Why? Because B is degrees 90 degree. And A and C is an acute angle because their degree is less than 90 degree. These ratios are defined using three specific terms. First, opposite, hypotenuse and adjacent. B. Opposite is AC. Look, hypotenuse AC, this is the side opposite the right angle. It's always the longest side of a right angle. AB, which is opposite side, which one we choose for angle. This is side opposite the angle you are interested. BC is a adjacent side. This is the side next to the angle you are interested in, but not the hypotenuse. Now we know we have 6 ratio. Sine is a opposite divide hypotenuse. Cos adjacent divide hypotenuse. Cosec is opposite of sine. It means hypotenuse divide opposite. Sec is opposite of cos. It means hypotenuse divide adjacent. Tan is a opposite divide adjacent. Cot is the opposite of tan, which is adjacent divide opposite. So this is the trigonometric ratio of acute angles. Look, in this picture we clearly understand the triangle of acute angles trigonometric ratio. Thanks for being with me. This is very important part for mathematics trigonometric. Thank you.